Welcome to Homework Lib.
So we have the three balls over here. Let's name them. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And initially they are thrown from the same level. A is thrown at 10 meter per second, and B is given to be thrown at 15 meter per second, and C is given to be thrown at 3 meters per second. So after 1 second, let us figure out the speeds and rank them from fastest to slowest. So here, as these are the effects that is taking place in the presence of gravity, so we use V equals U plus AT throughout for these three cases here, and acceleration in all the three cases are along the negative direction. So we take the value of A as -10, and we take the time as 1 seconds. So let us apply here and let us figure out the velocities in each case. So velocity of A would be 10 minus 10 into 1, and velocity of B would be 15 minus 10 into 1. Of C it will be 3 minus 10 into 1. So that will give us VA as 0 meter per second. VB will come out to be 5 meter per second, and VC will come out to be 3 minus 10, that is minus 7 meter per second. So it just indicates here, observing this third case, we can see that at the final point or at the maximum point, the final velocity is 0. So that means after 1 second, we are seeing its speed to be minus 7 meter per second, and that's not right, because here if we calculate the time taken to reach the maximum height, so for that it will be, we will just substitute 0 instead of V here, and U is 3, A is minus 10, T. So this gives T as 0.3 seconds, which just gives us the idea that the ball goes to the maximum height and returns at their own point in just 0.6 seconds. So after 1 second, because we are considering the time 1 second, its speed won't be minus 7, it will be 0 meter per second, right? Because 1 second comes after this 0.6 seconds. So if we are to rank here from the maximum to the minimum speed, VB will be greater than VA, and this would be equal to VC. By the way, at the instant if we see exactly at 1 second right before it hits, then we can approximately say that VB is greater than VA, and this is of course greater than VC. So this would be the valid order, or in terms of the ball symbols, we can say B greater than A greater than C. So now we have ranked in the terms of fastest to the slowest. And if we look at their acceleration after 1 seconds, the accelerations would be equal for all, because these balls are accelerated in the effect of gravity, and the gravitation is same irrespective of these small masses. So A would be equal to B equal to C.